Entonces, to compare two fractions, I need to have the same denominators. I need to have the same denominator pizzas. To compare them, they need to be cut exactly in the same amount of slices. Okay? So, because if I have 10 slices in this pizza, where do I have more or less? So for that, I need to change one of these two fractions so I can have the same. And again, which one is easier to cut? 10 or 5? 10. I can cut 10. Much easier than I can cut 5. So 10, this fraction, 6/10, is going to stay the way it is. The one that is going to be changing is this one. I need to change this into a fraction. I need to change this pizza in a way that I can have 10 slices. How can I go from 5 to 10?
Times 2.
Times 2. I know that 5 times 2 is 10. Denominator. What do I need in the numerator?
2.
Another 2. 4 times 2 is 8. So now that my two pizzas have the same number of slices, I just look at the numerators. 6 greater than 8? No, 6 is less than 8. That means that this one is not correct. Now, one thing that you can do when you compare them like this is you can put the actual fraction here, a small portion, so you can remember. This fraction represents tens, is not greater than 8/10. So that's wrong. Next one. This pizza has 5 slices. This pizza has 20. Which one can stay? 20. Okay, so I'm not going to change this. This is the one that is staying. I'm changing 4/5, and I'm changing it to what? 20. I need to change it to 20. How do I change those fractions? By multiplying.
Multiply
4 times or 5 times 4. And if I have 4 in the denominator, I need 4 in the numerator. 4 times 4? 16. So that means that this fraction is 16/20. And I'm going to compare it. Is 16/20 less than 11/20? No. So that's wrong too. 11/20 and 6/10. Which one is going to stay?
10/20. No, 11/20.
20.
Look at that. 10 times 2 is 20.
Because I can go from 10 to 20 much easier than I can go the other way. I'm going to change it 6/10. And I'm going to change it right here. 10 times what is going to give me 20?
10 times 2.
Times 2.
So if the denominator is 2, the
Numerator
is
12. So my question is, and I'm going to put the other fraction, 12/20. Is 11/20 less than 12/20? Yes, of course, 11 is less than 12. So that's my answer.
But we got to start off of that.
And so at the end, I have 5 and 10. Which one is going to stay?
10.
10. Which one changes? The 5. 5 times what? Times what fraction is going to give me 10? Times 2 again. 5 times 2 is 10. And the numerator has to be 2. 4 times 2 is 8. It's equivalent to 8/10. 8/10. Is 8/10 less than 6/10? No. It's more. So my answer is C.